Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Bonte Garage, and today we are doing another CRZ video. So today we are going to be doing the exhaust, and we need to go ahead and pull it out of where it's been sitting for a very long time on the shelves. So it's right there. Just playing. We're not doing anything with that, but we are going to be doing a very simple mod to the CRZ to make it just sound a lot better. A hybrid with no growl or anything. But with this simple mod, it'll make your CRZ sound a lot better, at least when you're revving it, and not so much on the road. But it doesn't take long. It's not hard. We're going to make it go from sounding like this to sounding like this. So let's get to it. Oh, but before we get to that, got one thing to do. So let's just tried to dig deep and made some CRZ slaps right here. I drew this on paper, then transferred it onto an app and drew it out. So you guys want to support your boy and the channel and want the CRZ sticker, go down below and you can purchase it off my website. But I gotta go and throw this CRZ onto the CRZ. It's been too long. The Evo actually has the Evo on it as well. You can get that one on the website too if you'd like. Oh no. Oh, I saved it. Looks sick. Look at that. CRZ and CRZ. Let's get back to the video. All right, so the only thing you need for this is either a ratchet and a 12mm socket, or you get an impact. All you're gonna do is unbolt right there, that nut and that nut, and you're just gonna remove the exhaust. Should be able to reach it with this guy. There we go. Got those two out, and now the exhaust is hanging pretty free. And all you want to do, grab some pliers, and then you just want to put this on the metal and then the other side on the rubber. So you can just push. You just want to go ahead and close this a few times, and then do the same thing to the other side. Boom, and boom. It should come right off once you have this little point cone looking thing. And there we have it. Let's go hear what this thing sounds like now. Sounds fast, feels fast, isn't fast, it's legit. But it feels nice. Oh, here we go. Oh, gotta turn the AC off because it drains power. Let's go into sports mode. Please don't have a cop. Pretty nice. And the thing is, like, it's not actually that loud. It just sounds like an old Civic itself. Nice. snap, TRD Camry. Get some! Get some, you mother! Oh dang, you know the sad part is he's just cruising. I was full on. All the way down. He was just barely tapping on his gas. Oh man. Alright guys, so if you guys were wondering if I'm being serious, yes, I'm being serious. This is a cheap exhaust fix for those of you that don't like how stock sounds. If the quietness of it just bothers you, then this is your go-to. If you guys don't want to spend like 400 or 100 at like a custom exhaust, cheap kind of weld-on exhaust tip kind of thing where you just want to delete your muffler. But if you guys just want to go out during the weekend and make this car just sound pretty nice, actually, I think it sounds good. If you guys want to make your CRZ sound good, you can just pop the exhaust off and go drive for the weekend and then throw it on when you're done. Best part is you don't really burn anything unless you're running a rear diffuser like I was, where this would melt it, but the exhaust actually melts my rear diffuser, which is why I'm revamping it. And I'm actually planning on just polishing up my exhaust so it looks good again, because for some reason it's getting a little beat up, got some rust on it, and that's why I want to take it off. But yeah, why not make it sound good? And best part, get pulled over, slap your exhaust back on, pay a $10 fixing ticket. At least that's for California. I don't know about you guys. California has strict laws with that stuff. If you guys are gonna do this, let me know in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think about it. If you guys have numbers or know more than I do about it, put some information down below. Let the viewers see that stuff and let's help each other out. Yo, I just got a great idea. We're gonna go ahead and cut this exhaust. So just like I was saying earlier, this exhaust burns my diffuser. That's why I don't have a diffuser on the car. But I just drew up this circle around it and I'm gonna cut it where there's no turn down, so it's just straight, and then I can add whatever I want to the end of it to make it look better. I should have done this a long time ago. So if you guys want to mod this, watch this video, we'll see how it turns out, and then you can do the same, whatever works out. So how I got this straight line around it, I just put a rubber band on there and just roll it around, because you know that's going to go on pretty straight, and made sure that it wasn't on the bend. So that's about as round as it'll get, so cuts off a lot, but it'll go straight out, and then we can put a bolt on, whatever, tip on here. I think this is gonna turn out legit. Let's get it. So what I'm gonna use to cut the exhaust is my good old Dremel, and I'm just gonna go take it slow. I do everything with this Dremel. Just gotta put in some iPro. It's pretty heavy, but whatever. Actually looks really good. And then I'm gonna just grab my sander and clean the hole. Try to make it leveled so it looks pretty good. Get these guys on. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. Clean that up a little bit. Dirty. There we go. Yo, that's the new exhaust tip right there. Check that out. Just a straight circle. All right. I just spent some time polishing this guy. I just hit it with 1000 grit, wet sanded a little bit, and then used this Chemical Guys heavy metal polish. And this is the turnout. I didn't do it for a long time, so don't come at me. But it's a lot better. Still kind of ugly. Now we're gonna go close out this video, slap it back onto the CRZ, and we'll be good to go. And it's super easy. Just mount these up to the rubber real quick, slap on the back again, and you're good. Let's get it. Ouch. Finger tighten this, because you don't want to strip it. Cool. And this is what it looks like from behind now with the chop. Much better than when it just had that funky looking thing sticking out. That was really dirty. And I like that actually. That's cool. It actually does point at the OEM rear diffuser, but I will get it turned on if I plan on running this rear diffuser once again. But right now I'm really thinking about not running it, because what's the point? It does look better, it does look nice, and it is black on black, but I'm gonna just leave that on the side. I ran that look for a very long time, so I'm gonna do just a straight rear diffuser that I'm gonna be revamping, I think, and that should be sick. But if I do want to run this, I'm gonna have to get a custom exhaust that actually bends down and then comes straight out, so they'll look as good as possible. But that's it. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. I like this, and I hope you guys like it too. If you guys recommend an exhaust setup, or you have one for sale, let me know and we can work something out. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.